Let's replace the receiver dryer on a 2017 Toyota Vios. We also replaced the cooling coil on this one too. Let me know if you want a video on that as well. Before anything else, make sure the refrigerant has been fully recovered from the system. Start by removing the radiator cover. Once that's removed, disconnect the refrigerant lines. We need to remove the whole condenser to replace the receiver dryer. Remove the radiator support bar. The condenser is attached to the radiator with two clips. Detach those.
Finisin ko.
Take the condenser out. Remove receiver dryer cover and pull out the old dryer. The old dryer is dirty from accumulated moisture and debris. Insert the new dryer. Close the cover.
Ibang gamit pero.
Put the condenser back in place. Make sure to test for leaks before recharging the system with refrigerant.